Good morning, students. I hope you have done your previous work that we have done yesterday. So, today we have to start question number 2 of exercise 1.4. Okay, as you can see, the question 2 is write the place value of 7 in the following numbers. The number is given and we have to write the place value of the digit 7 in the number. Like in A part, the number is 9 crores 81 lakh 45,217. We have to write the place value of this 7. Okay, so in the solution part, given number is equals to the same number given in the question, that is 9 crores 81 lakh 45,217. So under, please circle this 7. That means we have to tell the place value of this 7. So place value of 7, as you can see, the digit 7 is placed at the ones place. So do you know the place value becomes 7 ones, that is the face value into its place, that is 7 into ones, that is 7. Alright, now the C part is 4 crores 13 lakh 74,121. Alright, then again solution part, again you have to copy the number, circle the digit 7. Now you have to write the place value of 7. Now just see the number. In the number, the digit 7 is placed at which place? From the right hand side, read the number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. That means 7 is placed at 10,000's place. Okay, so the place value of 7 is equals to 7 10,000s. In numbers, if you have to write 70,000, 7 into 10,000 becomes 70,000. Alright, then I have done E part. E part is 6,41,039, 6 crores 41 lakh 39,741. Okay, so given number is this. Circle the digit 7. Place value of 7. Read the number from the right hand side. Ones, tens, hundreds. The digit 7 is placed at hundreds place. That means its place becomes 7 hundreds. That is 7 into 100. That means 700. Alright, so these parts you have to do in your fair notebook. Okay, after 1.4. Alright, now in exercise 1.5 we have to write about expanded form of the numbers. You have already read the expanded form in your previous classes, so there's not much to explain you here. So we'll do the questions and then you can understand the sums. Okay, so write the following. First question is write the following numbers in the expanded form. Part A is 3,82,865. Just what we have to do is we have to expand the number. That means we have to write the digits with its place value. Okay, and then we have to add up. Like I just see the first part, 3,82,865. That means what is the place value of 3? That is 3 lakh. So because it's at lakhs place, so write 3 lakh plus 8 is at which place? At 10,000 place. This 8, that means 80,000. Its place value is 80,000. Alright, plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 5. That means we have broken up the number with each of its place value added up. Okay, the digits are written here with their place values. Okay, this is it. Now the C part is 1,78,328. So again we need to break this with its place value. So 1 lakh, that means 1 lakh plus 78, that means 70,000. 78,000, so 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. It's very easy. You've read it earlier also, so I think this should be clear to you. Now E part is 30 crores 94 lakh 10,367. So again break it up. 30 crores, basically you have to put as many zeros against the digit as many digits are there. like 3 के आगे कितनी digits given है number में? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digits are given. You have to place 8 zeros after 3. Okay, 0, if you write 0 0 0, that makes no sense, so we can skip this 0. Now 9, in front of 9 how many zeros are there? Sorry, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that means 6 zeros you have to place here. That means 30 crores plus 90 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 10,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 7. There are two zeros in the given number. You need not to write for those zeros. Okay, if you wish to write you can, but that does not make any difference in the answer. Alright, now the second question is write the numerals in the short form. You have to write the numerals in short form now, as vice versa of question number 1. That means that now in the question part expanded form is given, we have to write the numeral for it. Okay, so read it please. This becomes 40 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 5. So 40 lakh, so tens place is filled, 40, write 4, then 7 lakh, then it becomes 47 lakh, then it plus 30,000 to 47 lakh 30,000, that means 3 should come here, then 4,000, so 4 10,000 place is filled with 4, then 800, so 8, then 25. So this is your answer, 47 lakh 34,825. Alright, this is B part, children. Take care that this is B part. A and C part you will do as your homework. Okay, now the D part is this is 3 crores 7 plus 70 lakh plus 9 lakh plus 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 7. Alright, that means we have to write till crore place. So 3 crores 70 lakh, so 10 lakhs place is filled with 7, 9 lakh, so 9, 80,000, that means 10,000 place is filled with 8, then 6,006, 897, so 897. So this is our answer, 3 crore 79 lakh 86,897. Okay, understood? Okay, now we have to do exercise 1.6. In 1.6, the exercise is about predecessor and successor. Again, you have already read the predecessor and successor in your previous classes. So, there is not much to explain. Predecessor is the number which comes just before the given number. Alright, like predecessor for smaller numbers, I give you example. Predecessor of 9 will become 8. जो 9 से पहले number आ रहा है, that is 8. And successor is the number which comes just after the number. So to calculate the predecessor, we'll subtract 1 from the number, because if the number is very small you can tell like this without subtracting, but if the number is large you have to subtract 1 from it. Okay, and then you will get the predecessor. So the first question is write the predecessor of each of the following. So A part is 32,490. So predecessor of 32,490 is equals to 32,490 minus 1. Now you have to subtract 1 from it. I don't think so there should be any problem. 90 minus 1 becomes 89. So 32,489 is the answer. Similarly, now D part 70,000, predecessor of 70,000 is equals to 70,000 minus 1. That means if you subtract, it becomes 69,999. If those who cannot subtract like this, you write in vertical order and then subtract. Like I have written horizontally, you can also write in vertical order. ठीक है, now F part is 3,88,777. So again to calculate this we have to subtract 1 from it, that is 3,88,776. All right, I've done A, D and F part of it from first question. So second question we'll do tomorrow. For today we can keep it till here. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.